Hello. So let's talk about gluten-free baking. Alright? So in low-carb baking naman, pwede naman with gluten at pwede rin gluten-free. But personally, I prefer, okay, using gluten-free, low-carb baking. Alright? Kasi there are people who has gluten sensitivity, meron ding gluten intolerance na nag-cause ng kanilang autoimmune diseases. So, I prefer na lang to advocate gluten-free baking. Alright? So, of course, gluten-free baking is a little trickier, but if matutunan mo ang tamang mga techniques, then you will find it also good and delicious. Okay? So that's why we're here in low carb baking to share with you tips and techniques, no, para maging successful in gluten-free baking. Ayan. So abangan ninyo, lahat ng halos tips natin dito is towards learning how to bake delicious goodies using gluten-free ingredients. All right? So, see you next time.